We recently asked you on our Facebook page and YouTube community tab what your thoughts on VIP support for Uber is, and do you think that support should be equal for everyone, whether you're a new driver, a veteran, whether you give one ride a week or 100 rides a week? And we're going to go over your feedback. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And we're going to be talking about this VIP support when it comes to gold status members who give so many rides or gain so many points in a period in order to unlock this achievement. Now, support has been hard to come by for several people. There are multiple ways to contact support. We've done videos on that in the past. If you want to check that out, make sure you watch that video because we've given 6 different ways you can contact Uber in the event that you need to. All right, so as you see on the screen, this is what we had posted both to our YouTube community tab and Facebook page. And it says, what's your thoughts on VIP support for Uber? Do you think support should be equal for everyone, whether you're a new or veteran driver? Give one ride a week or 100. So now let's go to a couple of your comments and feedback when it comes to that post, when it comes to VIP support. And we're going to use our YouTube community tab posts first. So today, Dirty Sinatra says, as someone who's driven for 7 years now, this is a complete slap in the face of logic and anything a human can consider moral. The customer service was trash to begin with. So for them to repackage that as some sort of goal for us to pursue is not even laughable anymore. Use Critical Thinking states that should be equal. When someone has an issue, they should get an answer on the phone. Casey said, Blue bottom tier has been the best support. I don't really know if it makes a difference. I dream of Rideshare. Nice name, like it. VIP support is a joke, just like the free tow service. I tried to use it once and they assigned my tow to a tow company that wasn't even opened. And then Mark Wilson writes, the support for drivers is total garbage. All right, now let's go to our Facebook page where there were a couple of comments that we'll pull from there too. And it says from Seth, Uber has no support, just names of customer service reps you can't pronounce who are trained to use American idioms to make you feel better. Nothing ever gets resolved, ever. Chad and Thomas both state that they won't review the completed background check, and it's been weeks. Then Steve writes, actually, I suspect it's bogus. I've received the same exact support or lack thereof at every level. And lastly, we'll go with Chuck. He states, I think it is total crap. I have over 8,500 rides with a rating of 4.96 and cannot get the support that myself and others deserve. The fact I am not gold at this time should not negate the support needed and required by each and every driver. We are the front line and the passengers have spoken. So what is that Uber does not understand about taking care of those that take care of them? Total BS, the support and the gold status crap. They really need another way to better support the drivers. All right. And then lastly, for the final comment and what we're going to kind of talk about in the next moment is what Daniel wrote right here. And it says, I do believe the only real difference between Diamond and standard support is how they answer the phone. If you're Diamond, or in this case, VIP from Gold, the greeting is, hi, I'm blank. Thank you for calling Premium or Support. The rest of the process is no different. So a lot of people who stated that they've called support both as a standard support and also the VIP support state that the only real difference is the intro. And that is about it. So when you call, you might get to the front of the queue right away. And then a little thing will pop up at the customer service side stating that you're a gold or platinum member. So you get access to VIP support, even though that VIP support is just by intro, just the line. And like I said, you're getting to the front of the queue. Now, one of the biggest problems when it comes to support overall is that there's a very big lack of it for the majority of drivers and some of the complaints that they're saying. As you saw from some of the comments, they said that support is not really support and it's just something that's there that seems like support even though it might not. So there are multiple ways to contact Uber, but sometimes getting your issue resolved is a little bit harder than just that. Now, one takeaway from all of this is the amount of complaints when it comes to Uber support. Many drivers and even riders state that it's extremely hard to get any type of issue resolved. And so that means these companies should be looking at that and increasing their customer service representatives in order to help solve these issues. And it should be done overall and not just VIP support or masking it as something, but actually overhauling the entire system and making it something that will actually help resolve certain issues. All right, and thanks for those who did comment on our Facebook page and our YouTube community tab. We like to post these different things to see what your feedback is and then relay that information and also ask you again when it comes to the video, what are your thoughts on this? So we love to hear, what are your thoughts on support, VIP support? Do you think it's just pretty much the same thing and it's just kind of packaged a little differently? Do you think the whole system needs to be overhauled? Comment below and let us know. Now, if you haven't followed us on Facebook, make sure you do, as well as if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do, because we are going to post more things on YouTube and Facebook when it comes to your thoughts and also make videos on your feedback. So you might see your name or your comment in a future video. All right, everyone, drive safe.